If the Dave app says your card has expired, the problem isn't always that the physical card is actually expired. It can also happen if your bank issued a replacement card, your card details changed, or the app couldn't verify the latest information. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find the cause and get your card working again without guessing. Start by checking the expiration date printed on your debit card. If the date has already passed, you'll need to activate the replacement card your bank sent before trying to use it in Dave. If your card hasn't expired, open the Dave app and review the payment method linked to your account. If your bank recently replaced your card because it was lost, stolen, or renewed, remove the old card details and add the new card information. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code while entering the information. A single incorrect digit can cause Dave to reject the card as expired or invalid. Next, make sure the Dave app is updated to the latest version. App updates often include fixes for payment verification and account syncing problems. If the error continues, sign out of your Dave account, close the app completely, and sign back in. Refreshing your session can force the app to reload your account information. You should also confirm that your bank account and debit card are active. If your bank temporarily restricted the card or issued a replacement without your knowledge, Dave won't be able to verify the previous card details. Avoid adding the same card repeatedly if the app keeps rejecting it. Multiple failed attempts usually don't fix the problem and can trigger additional security checks. If you've recently changed banks or closed the account connected to Dave, update your linked banking information before trying to use the card again. An outdated bank connection can prevent the app from validating your payment method correctly. When none of these steps solve the issue, contact Dave support through the app and explain that you're receiving a card expired message even though your card is active. Include a screenshot of the error, your device model, and the last 4 digits of the card so the support team can review your account more efficiently. To recap, confirm whether the card actually expired, replace outdated card details, verify all information carefully, update the app, refresh your login session, and contact Dave support if the error doesn't clear. If this video helped you fix the problem, leave a like, subscribe for more Dave app troubleshooting guides, and check out our other quick app fix tutorials.